Hey viewers, welcome back to our Cozy Garden Corner. Today, we're diving into the magical realm of gardening at night. So grab your gardening gloves and a cup of your favorite warm beverage as we unleash 25 super simple tips to unveil the beauty in moonlight. Let's get started. Tip number 1, pick a spot with a view. Find a comfy spot where you can enjoy the moonlit masterpiece. Tip 2, keep it comfy for you and your plants. Choose cozy plants like moonflowers and evening primroses that love the night shift. Tip 3, let there be light. Add soft solar-powered lights to guide your way without disturbing the serene night vibe. Tip 4, water under the moon. Water your plants in the evening to keep them hydrated and happy. Tip 5, create a magical path. Line your garden pathways with stones or gentle lights for a fairy tale-like stroll. Tip 6, make friends with fireflies. They're not just pretty, they're your garden's natural night pollinators. Tip 7, be moth-friendly. Moths are like nighttime butterflies. Invite them to the party. Tip 8, embrace the quiet. The night is your garden's peaceful sanctuary. Let it be serene. Tip 9, nighttime music. The rustle of leaves and gentle night sounds are your garden's lullaby. Tip 10, be patient. Nighttime gardening is slow and steady. Enjoy the process. Don't rush it. Tip 11, talk to your plants. They might not talk back, but they appreciate the company. Tip 12, nighttime snacks. Some plants love a midnight snack. Sprinkle some slow-release fertilizer for a nighttime feast. Tip 13, watch the moon phases. Certain plants prefer specific phases of the moon. It's like their cosmic schedule. Tip 14, gentle grooming. Prune and tend to your plants with a soft touch. They're delicate during the night. Tip 15, be a night detective. Check for pests and signs of trouble under the moon's gentle glow. Tip 16, DIY moonlit path. Get creative and craft your own enchanted pathway with recycled materials. Tip 17, moonlit meditation. Take a break, breathe in the night air, and soak in the garden tranquility. Tip 18, DIY bug repellent. Make a simple, natural bug repellent to keep your night garden critter free. Tip 19, stargazing breaks. Put down the watering can and take a moment to gaze at the stars. Tip 20, midnight harvest. Some veggies love being harvested at night. It's like a quiet celebration. Tip 21, moonlit journaling. Keep a little garden diary and note the changes you observe at night. Tip 22, share the love. Invite friends for a nighttime garden gathering and share the magic. Tip 23, moonlit yoga. Stretch and flow with nature under the moon. Your plants will appreciate the good vibes. Tip 24, capture the moment. Take photos of your nighttime garden. It's a memory you'll cherish. Tip 25, have fun. Gardening at night is all about joy, so don't forget to enjoy every moment. And there you have it, 25 super simple tips for gardening at night. I hope these ideas inspire you to embrace the beauty of moonlight in your garden. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more down-to-earth tips, and share your nighttime gardening stories in the comments. Until next time, happy gardening under the stars.